Hello everyone, my name is Yerling Eusebio Rodriguez. I am a student in Isfordosu, Luis Napoleon Núñez Molina campus. Today I am sharing this speech with you to tell you about a very interesting activity that we worked on in the English class last week. This is live on Ron's schoolhouse. Then I will tell you the story. Long ago, many children were to school in a small schoolroom. The younger and older children were in the same class. Children said that they learned to read and write. They also learned math. Children generally did not write on paper. They wrote on blackboard. Blackboard are like little blackboard. The school had a stove. The stove kept the schoolhouse warm in winter. The children had to bring firewood to put on the stove. Then there were no school cafeteria. The children would go home for lunch or take it with the dance. The school of a long time ago were very different from those of today. Were their friends? They have been a little history on one runs school. I hope you like it. Until next time. Bye bye. See you later.